Hey there, those of you who are passionate about investing. Do you ever get the urge to enter the market, but you realize that your bank transfer can take a while to complete? It's possible that you've identified a golden chance and need to move quickly. For someone who lives in our fast-paced environment, wouldn't it be amazing if they could just pull out their plastic and get started? At this point, the topic of whether or not internet brokers accept credit cards needs to be addressed. Having said that, let's get right down to business. Does etoro take credit cards? It is possible that the answer will take you by surprise, and that is precisely what we will be discussing today. eToro's payment methods will be dissected in great detail, the benefits and drawbacks of using credit cards for investing will be discussed, and some other solutions will be presented in the event that you do not feel comfortable using credit cards. For those who are new to the world of online investing, eToro is a popular platform that allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and even dabble in cryptocurrency. It boasts a user-friendly interface and features like copy trading, making it attractive to beginners and seasoned investors alike. But back to our burning question, credit cards. The answer is, not quite. While eToro does accept debit cards, credit card deposits are currently a no-go. This might seem like a bummer, but there's a method to the madness. Let's unpack why eToro might have chosen this route. The biggest reason likely boils down to risk management. Unlike debit cards that directly access your checking account, credit cards involve borrowing money. This introduces a layer of complexity for eToro. Imagine someone dumping a huge sum on their credit card to invest, potentially racking up debt to chase unrealistic returns. It's a recipe for financial disaster, and eToro likely wants to avoid users getting into over their heads. Furthermore, there are potential regulatory hurdles. Financial institutions have a responsibility to ensure responsible lending practices, and credit card purchases for investing might raise red flags. By excluding credit cards, eToro might be simplifying compliance procedures. But hey, that doesn't mean all hope is lost. Here are some alternative ways to fund your eToro account. Debit card, this is the most straightforward option. As mentioned earlier, eToro accepts major debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and Maestro. Funds are transferred directly from your checking account, ensuring you only invest with what you have readily available. Bank transfer, this is a reliable and secure way to deposit larger sums. The transfer might take a few business days, so keep that in mind if you need the funds urgently. eToro Money. This is eToro's own online payment solution. You can link your bank account to eToro Money and then use it to fund your investment account. This can be a convenient option, especially for frequent traders. Important note: always double-check the specific deposit options and any associated fees before committing to a particular method. These can vary depending on your location and the currency you're using. Alright, so we've established that credit cards are out for now on eToro. But the question remains, is it ever a good idea to use a credit card for investing in the first place? The short answer is proceed with caution. While the convenience factor is undeniable, remember, credit cards come with interest rates. These fees can quickly eat into your potential returns, turning a profitable investment sour. Only consider using a credit card for investing if you have a solid investment plan and are confident in your choices. You can pay off the credit card balance in full before the interest kicks in. You have a healthy emergency fund to fall back on in case the market takes a downturn. Remember, investing should be a thoughtful and measured approach to growing your wealth. Credit cards, with their tempting swiping power, can introduce unnecessary risk. Final takeaway: while eToro doesn't accept credit cards, there are plenty of alternative ways to fund your account. Always prioritize responsible investing practices and never put yourself in a position of accumulating credit card debt to chase market gains. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.